Hey guys, this is Cody Gallivan, lead project manager with A-Team Roofing and proud Duro-Last Roofing contractor. This is an awesome project we did here in downtown Memphis, Tennessee. The building owner came to us, had actually inherited this building through her family. Her father passed away. This building meant a lot to her. She remembers going there as a girl, buying bottle Cokes that came out of the machine. Her dad was a lawyer. That's now a bail bonding company. When we looked at the project, it had a lot of leaks. She spent the last several years chasing down repairs, spent several $1,000s trying to make that happen. The original flat roofing portion of this roof, not original, but the roof that was there was a mod bit system, torched down. It had had some layers of tar mopped on it, etc. We had an engineer check out the decking system. Everything looked really good. The existing system was not water soaked, so the owner chose to go with a roof recover in this situation. As well, the original part of the mansard roofs on the side, it was 2 layers of 3-tab roofing, some rotten decking. We ended up replacing all the rotten decking, going back on the shingles on the mansard roof with an Owens Corning Duration lifetime estate grade beautiful system. And then up on top, we went down with a fanfold board to cover everything and get it solid, and then went over it with a Duro-Last 50 mil dark gray beautiful system. We did a charcoal gray coping cap to kind of tie everything together, and then it was really important to her we actually preserved the clay tiles that were kind of the terracotta coping cap on the outside of the wall that's on so many of the old downtown buildings in Memphis. All in all, she's getting a 20-year no dollar limit warranty from the world's best roofing system with the world's best warranty, Duro-Last. Check out this project.